Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can hide page from Google. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go simply to menus and pages, and then you're going to select about page, right? And you just want to click here 3 dots, and then just click here SEO Google. And now show this page in search results. When you're going to scroll down below and you just want to click like no, automatically this site won't be searchable in Google. And this is like really important. Like, I don't know, if you want to hide some private site or something like that, you just like show this page in search results, you just delete like no. And yeah, so this is how you can hide page from Google. Have a great day and goodbye.